Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we're here. We just finished up this 26 Tundra TRD Pro, and guys already asking, hey, does your kit work in the new 26 models? Well, here it is. It works well. We've got the factory BBS wheels with a set of 37 12.5 by 18s on the factory wheel. We use the wheel spacers on the front here. We wanted to get a little bit more poke on this. We pinned back the fender liner back here in the corner, and we did do a partial, the safety mount. We shaved off the front of it with our kit that we make. We actually have our bracket kit that pulls the liner back in the fender and then also recaps the safety mount here. And then we trim a little bit up here in the front. But this whole setup works really, really well. Part of it is because the wheel offset is almost perfect on this, and then running the 1 1/4 wheel spacer in it, really, it works excellent. And then we always talk about how important it is for us as our shop and when we're doing these trucks to make sure that we keep the fender looking factory inside, the liner, the frame horn, all that stuff. And then you can just see back here in the back how much poke it has. There's your 26 TRD Pro Tundra, and then it has a Fab 4 front bumper on it with the bull bar on it. And the reason why this bull bar is such a low bull bar on it is because of the sensor here, so we don't block anything out the front, plus the camera up here in the front. This does have a Warren 10K winch in it, synthetic rope, and then it has a Baja Designs S8 light bar in it as well. So the truck looks super clean. One of the cool things about this owner of this truck, he's been one of my customers for many, many years. He trusts us, he believes in us. And every time he gets a new truck, he literally drives it from the dealership over to our shop and we perform some stuff on it. I know we are going to be doing some sliders for it. The sliders are not on it yet because those are to order orders, and so they're not ready. He came in and said, hey, how soon can we do this? And we're like, well, we're a couple weeks out, but let's see what we can do and we'll see if we can fit it in. He goes, I just really don't want to drive this truck stock. So I would say for a nice clean, not going over the top, subtle, great look, I think this truck looks amazing. And then again, it's got our preload collar lift in it and works really well with the factory Fox suspension. So hope you guys enjoy this. I know it's simple but clean and just kind of shows you just what a stock truck, when you do a few things to it, how much of a difference it can really make on these trucks. Again, we'd love to hear from you, so comment below. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please get subscribed to our channel. We'd love to share some of the new things that we have coming down the road with you. So again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.